If you're a busy dad or over 40 years old or somewhere in there and you want more time with your kids, just take a look at this video.
Never thought I would be here, a year and a half ago in August of 24. But for those of y'all that don't know me, my name's Logan Bidwell, a blue collar husband, dad of 4 kids that keep us super busy. And all I ever knew before was just work the overtime. Then I tried some MLM things, but I failed because I didn't like bugging my friends and family. I didn't like sliding in the DMs. But I always had a dream of something to be able to do to build freedom without giving up my paycheck. And I'd kind of got away from it, started mowing yards evenings and weekends. It took a lot more time away from my family, and my family was burnt out. I was burnt out. And so I started looking for a way to create income from my phone because it's a digital world we live in. So why not? But I didn't even know how to shoot a video on TikTok. I wasn't a content creator. I didn't have a following. I just had a strong desire to make a change for my family. And when I ran across Legacy Builder, got in somebody's email system, started getting those automated emails, and didn't have any belief in myself, but I ran across the link for one of these webinars, and I got on, and I saw just everyday people, moms, dads, grandparents, just people being able to fit it in their busy schedule. Because when I saw 2 hours a day, I thought, man, between working a full-time job, trying to make it to my kids' ball games, mowing yards, I don't have 2 hours. I'm up at 4 a.m. and I go to bed at 11, and I'm busy all day. But what I really realized, it was a Sunday because my iPhone gave me an alert on how much screen time I was spending, and showed me how much time I was wasting on my phone. And I thought, why don't I just trade that time? I mean, I can carve out 2 hours a day in 10, 20-minute segments of my day on my lunch break, before work, after work, in the evenings. When my kids are in bed, at halftime at a ball game, I can make a 7-second video with words on a screen. And it gave me the belief that I could do something online. But like I said, I didn't want to bug friends and family. I didn't want to slide in the DMs. And I needed the step-by-step training. I mean, taking all the guesswork out of it took a lot of pressure off of me. And creating content was scary, but so was being $30,000 in credit card debt. So was not being ready for college. So was knowing that the last 20 years had gotten us right where we were at. And if I didn't do anything different, those 3% pay raises, they weren't going to get it done. And so I chose my heart. And it got easier every single time. Every single time. But since then, we have paid off $30,000 in credit card debt because of what I've learned here. I've got multiple streams of income. We paid cash for college. We've been able to put extra car payments on my truck, my son's car that we bought him when he graduated last May. But we've been able to live life along the way with more peace. Knowing that when we look at our bank, we don't have to check the bank account when we go get fuel or when we go to the grocery store anymore. And that's not me bragging, guys. That is, I hope that you see, if I can do it, you can do it too. And just being able to live life with more peace. But, I said I got started looking for $900 a month, and that was all the belief I had in myself, not the program. I saw it working for people. And I did. I made $900 my first month, but it's continued to grow. And this the first week of March, being able to make $3,000 around our busy life schedule, coaching my kids in basketball, going to my oldest daughter's softball games, volleyball tournaments, still getting to spend time with my family, something that didn't take more time away from my family, but it really gave me more time back because when I got out of mowing yards, that gave me 40 to 60 hours a month back with my wife and 4 kids. But yeah, I hope that you see that you can do it too. Do it scared. So do it for your family. Do it for your future. Thank you, Michelle. I really appreciate the opportunity to get to share. Appreciate your program, your mentorship, your training. It has been a life changer.
Isn't that incredible? I can't say anymore. I mean, he's a new friend that I met through our community of 59,000 people, and just a crazy story about him trying to find time to spend with his family. mean, that's what this program's all about. If you're interested, just check the link in my bio. It's free. Check it out. There's a lot of information in there for you to make a decision for yourself.